Hello, welcome to Parenting 101. I am Natalie Bailey with the Parenting Education Programs. Today we are going to spend some time discussing self-care. I'm a single mother of an 8-year-old. Between working all day and running Deja to her activities, I just don't have time for myself. What can I do to keep my sanity? Keisha, age 39. Keisha, have you ever heard of the old saying, you can't pour from an empty cup? I bet you have. The best way to ask that question is, what have you done to nurture yourself? What have you done just for you? Because as we know, if you're not nurturing yourself, it's going to be quite difficult to pour back into Deja or nurture Deja. And I can only imagine working all day and then coming home to run Deja to this activity and that activity can be very stressful and tiring and overwhelming. But if you're able to find an activity just for you, that may reduce some of the feelings of stress, feeling overwhelmed, feeling tired, and you might be able to keep your sanity. So I ask, are there any hobbies that you would like to start or finish? Are there any activities that you would like to become involved in? Because when it comes to self-care, you don't have to spend any money. You can do self-care from the comfort of your own home. But if you want to go out and spend money, you can do that as well as a form of self-care. So here are some ideas that you possibly can do for self-care. Maybe you can get back into exercising. Go for a long walk on a nice sunny day. Maybe there's a friend that you would like to reconnect with. Pick up the phone and get connected again. Is there a meal that you've been putting off to make because you just haven't had the time? Maybe this will be a great time to find that recipe and cook that meal. Or it can be anything as simple as locking yourself in the bathroom and taking an extra long shower. There are many different things that you can do for self-care. So it just takes some time and some thought to think of the things that you can actually do that you possibly would enjoy. But as a reminder, when it comes to self-care, we are encouraging you to do it just for you and do it once a week for 5 minutes. It doesn't have to be an extra long activity. It doesn't have to be over a series of days. It can just be 5 minutes on Monday. And then you do it again the next Monday. And hopefully you can build up to a longer period of time. But as a reminder, and as I said, self-care is something that you do just for you. Okay? Thank you. Thank you for taking the time to view our video on self-care. If you would like more information about the parenting education programs, please visit fairfaxcounty.gov and search Parenting Education.